me? Have you missed me? Are you cute? Hello, Margaret. Hello. What? You're a good girl. I love you. Hello, Margaret. What's Margaret doing? Margaret, stop. Can't you just sit over this? But you're trying to bite me. You're trying to bite me. Margaret, what are you doing? What's she doing? She's playing. Yeah, she's being gentle. Oh, very cute. Good girl, good boy. I love you, but I don't trust you. Yeah, I love you. Oh, I love you. Good boy. What? 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 I love you. Are you just so cute? What? I love you. Kizzies. What are you doing? Are you playing with my hair? Yeah, are you? Good girl. Yeah, you've been watching Joe do that in my hair, haven't you? Yeah. What's Margaret doing, Kevin?